Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to scream, I want you to shout, I want you to get your hands together for the biggest Sanjao's festival in the entire world. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Siolim Sanjao Traditional Boat Festival and Cultural Program in association with Goa Tourism. Now, for those of you that do not know, Sanjao isn't just a festival, it is our tradition, it is our pride, it is the day family and friends jump into wells while holding on to our copels and thanking St. John the Baptist for the rains. But today on the banks of Siolim, we have a program planned so well that it's going to make your heart beat faster than a gumot. For those of you that don't know what a gumot is, you will see it very soon on stage. But here's the thing, we have a tradition here. We have a slogan that you have to scream along with me. I'm going to say Sanjao, Sanjao. You say? Khabar na mare. How many people are from Goa? Put your hands up. Goin kara, hat kara through it. Kara through it. Bhiena katre, CM munda bhiupachi goras na tumka gira bhiela. Wait kara. Okay. Everyone from outside Goa. Jumai. People from outside India. Don't feel shy. Raise your hands up. Come on. Nice and high. This is what's going to happen. I'm going to say Sanjao, Sanjao. You are going to say Viva Sanjao. We'll try it once, okay? Sanjao, Sanjao. Voice, a little louder, right? A little more louder. Sanjao, Sanjao. Sanjao, Sanjao. Sanjao, Sanjao. Fantastic. I would now like to request the presence of the legendary MC from Siolim, Mr. Vincent Brito.
Legendary.
Give it up for my co-host, Mr. Vincent Brito. He's going to take it up from here. This is before he takes on. I want you guys to hold on to your copels, hold on to your umbrellas, hold on to yourselves, hold on, not to your neighbor's wife, but hold on to your partners because Sanjao begins now. Vincent, kindly take over. Here we go.
All right, guys. Are you ready to party this evening? Can you say it a little louder? Are baap re, solid mare. All right, ladies and gentlemen, these guys are really in the Sanjao spirit. Keep up that spirit. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to brief you on the program that we are going to have this evening, right? Well, the USP of this Sanjao festival at the boat parade. You'll be witnessing many beautiful decorated boats coming through this creek. When they come in, I request you all to make a loud noise. Clap for them, make some noise for them, because that is the USP of our Sanjao. Depending on you, your safety. All right, guys, and I would like to announce the cash prizes for the different boats. The first three boats, the first three best boats are going to get a cash prize of rupees 50K, 45K, and 40K respectively. Sponsored by Goa Tourism Department. Make some noise for them. And believe me, and ladies and gentlemen, all the participating boats will get a cash prize of 10K. Wow, that is all simply great, no? Lot of money involved. There are many sport prizes to be given this evening, and all these sport prizes are given in gold coins. You're going to get gold coins. Make some noise. You want gold coin now? Yeah. Try your luck for that. well, ladies and gentlemen, we also have prizes for the best couples. So keep your couples ready, okay? That looks nice. That looks nice. And we are going to get a gold coin for that in the senior as well as junior category, okay? Then we have some performers performing here, dancers performing here, singers performing here. All in all, it's going to be a lovely evening. All right? And later this evening, ladies and gentlemen, we have some performances from Goa Tourism also. And then comes the best part. The bands. They are going to keep you entertained. Well, right now we have this lovely duo. They are performing not only in Goa, they have performed in some parts of India and some parts of foreign countries as well. All India, in foreign countries as well. Can you clap for Johnny Be Good, and Riza.
Thank you very much, Vincent. Thank you.
And should I tell you about Black and White? One of the Black and White, that is Black and White. The best, one of the best bands in Goa will be popping later. Black and White. So ladies and gentlemen, keep enjoying yourself and have a lovely evening. Sanjao, Sanjao. Yeah, berat. Sanjao, Sanjao.
I've been given to understand we have the East Indian Koli community also out here. Make some noise. Sajao, Sajao. Sajao, Sajao. Before we move on, one last time. Now all together. Those of you by Christ the Redeemer, that side. All of you on the road. Please come inside. But we're going to scream out together and shake entire Siolim. You guys ready? Here we go. Sajao, Sajao. Sajao, Sajao. Sajao, Sajao. Johnny Be Good with Riza. Here we go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, keep on dancing. Johnny Be Good with Riza. Keep on dancing.
Nuts, 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 go by. Nuts, 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 going to bakery. Nuts, 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 go by. Nuts, 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 going to bakery. Going to bakery. Going to bakery. Rindawan kele, rindawan kele. What a cara para bote dawan kele. Rindawan kele, rindawan kele. What a cara para bote dawan kele. Ritna to raigo, ritna to raigo. What a cara para bote dawan kele. Ritna to raigo, ritna to raigo. What a cara para bote dawan kele. Nuts, 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 nuts go by. Nuts, 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 going to the green. Nuts, 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 nuts go by. Nuts, 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 going to the green. Going to the green. Bakrakele chedu kitle sobi disota. Karshe dole polota chobi sozata. Bakrakele chedu kitle sobi disota. Karshe dole polonga chobi sozata. Number gere, number gere, number gere, that's a number gere, number gere, number gere, number gere, that's a number gere. Fuller, 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 full, fuller, 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 full, fuller, 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 full, fuller, 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 full, fuller, fuller. Kenna go, kenna. उसका तुझ्या गाडीच मजे सुकन गो गेले केन्ना गो केन्ना तू गोया थोले उसका तुझ्या गाडीच मजे सुकन गो गे मोगा तू ये आनी गोपाल मकागे 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 parar par zataira na tu 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 ya ya maya 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 Oh, let's do the sense, everybody up in the air! Yo, la sapra Brasil!
on you. Please leave it on the outside and then enter. Kindly cooperate with us today to have an absolutely fantastic day. Johnny, be good. Riza, here we go.
That's right. Check. Well, the next song we gotta do is love to hear you sing along. This is a very simple one and very common in Goa. And I'm definitely sure that you're going to know this one. I'd love to hear you sing along this. Okay, it goes away. Are you ready? Oh Maria Pitache,
Oh Maria Pitache,
oh Maria Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Fly! Maria Pitache,
Oh Maria Pitache, Oh Maria
Pitache, oh Maria Pitache. Fly! Viva Goa!
Shove it up in the puppy, shove it in the puppy.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was a very popular track of our very own Ramon Fernandez, Maria Pitache. Maza Cesari tha, Maza Cesari. Carol dancing.
Ladies and gentlemen, please note, besides the performers, the committee members, requesting nobody else to kindly step on stage, including media, saying it again. Besides the performers and the committee members, nobody is allowed on stage. Kindly cooperate with us today. Thank you.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Siolim, João and Goa Tourism, we welcome Minister, Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Sadanand Shet Tanawade. Could you please clap for him? Put your hands together for Sadanand Shet Tanawade. We welcome you, sir.
Viva Goa! Fly! तांबडे कापड नेसल्यार रुपया दाखयताय सकाळीच्या दोंगरार बांगले आपयताय तांबडे कापड नेसल्यार रुपया दाखयताय अरे येदे 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 व्हडल्या काळाचे अरे येदे 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 व्हडल्या काळाचे अरे येदे 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 व्हडल्या काळाचे अरे येदे 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 व्हडल्या काळाचे माझे कपुला मावल्यार बांगले आपयताय आनी बरे दूर दिसल्यार सांज्यो फुलोयताय माझे कपे मागल्यार बांगले आपयताय तांबडे कापड नेसल्यार रुपया दाखयताय अरे येदे 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 व्हडल्या काळाचे अरे येदे 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 व्हडल्या काळाचे अरे येदे 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 व्हडल्या काळाचे अरे येदे 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 व्हडल्या काळाचे Okay, next one, I would love to hear you sing along because it's a very common song and everyone knows this one. I would love to hear you sing, okay? Hey! Hey! And I would love to hear you sing this one. Everybody! Hit me! Sing it!
त्याची आई गुण भेवडी आणि बापूस गुण भेवडा
Say!
ही पोरी त्याची आई गुण भेवडी आणि बापूस गुण भेवडा
Sing it! Everybody!
कल्याण सकली सोन्याची ही पोरी कोणाची कल्याण सकली सोन्याची ही पोरी कोणाची त्याची आई गुण काळी आणि बापूस गुण काळा ही गोरी बोरी कोणाची त्याची आई गुण काळी आणि बापूस गुण काळा ही गोरी बोरी कोणाची
Hooray! Hey! Hey! Kai morello combolo muche mai macadilolo Kai morello combolo muche mai macadilolo Con re belian da so pacto mudilo Con re belian da so pacto Sing along! Ricombia, ba ba ba, ricombia
쇼 쇼쇼
Ricombia, ba 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 ba, ricombia shu Ricombia, ba ba ba, ricombia
쇼쇼쇼
Ricombia, ba 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 ba, ricombia shu Hey, dogu isha sani, sokotai sanyao piani Dogu isha sani, sokotai sanyao piani Tumi sogara moraigo, amele akomele soraigo Tumi sogara moraigo, amele akomele soraigo Dogu isha sani, sokotai sanyao piani Dogu isha sani, sokotai sanyao piani Tumi sogara moraigo, amele akomele soraigo Tumi sogara moraigo, amele akomele soraigo Recombia, recombia
쇼쇼쇼
Recombia, come, come, come. And if the combo is London made, then what do you say? Come, come, come. Go, go, go. Come, 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 come. And let us see you go. Hey! Hey! Hey!
All right, guys, the first boat this evening has already arrived. So can you make some noise for them? As I said earlier, the USP of this festival are the boats. So we have 2 boats already. Can you make some noise? Once again, clap for them. Wow, that's great. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You could even do better.
Please note, you can welcome them, but please do not climb onto the boat. We do have lifeguards on duty, but I'm sure not all of you together on the boat, please. Thank you. Sing it again. Sajo, Sajo! Sajo, Sajo!
All right, ladies and gentlemen, in case you want to capture this beautiful boat in your cameras, you could do so. But see that you keep on making some noise for them. As I said earlier, that's the USP of our Siolim Sanyao, the boat parade. Can you make some noise for this boat, ladies and gentlemen? आवाज सारको थोडो जाला मरे तुमचो मातसो व्हडल्यान करात वखद जाय जाल्यार घेवन यात मरे Can I request all the members of Wadi group to please come on to the stage? And ladies and gentlemen, they are beautifully attired in Sanjao clothes. And very now they are going to be on the stage, led by Eddie, I believe. Edgar, requesting you all to please come on to the stage without wasting any time. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the World Cup trophy. Can you make some noise for the World Cup trophy?
Any Portugal fans in the house? Argentinian fans in the house?
Brazilian fans in the house. Brazil. Edgar, can I request you and your boys to please come on to the stage? Because we can't afford to waste any time. Thank you. तू आप येता
To refresh your memories, we have plenty of sport prizes that will be coming your way. Prizes going out in gold. And ladies and gentlemen, we have one more boat that has just made its way.
So come on guys, as I said earlier, let's try to make some noise for these beautiful boats out there.
Our third boat that has arrived today is the Goa Tourism Float, featuring the president of the Siolim Boat Festival and Cultural Organization at the helm, accompanied by a young couple and none other than the Siolim MLA, Mrs. Delilah Lobo. Ladies and gentlemen, get your hands together for the Goa Tourism Float boat right there. Get your hands together, come on now.
म्यूट करता कीबोर्ड ना कीबोर्ड म्यूट कर सध्या सांगता तुका ऑन करता
All right, ladies and gentlemen, requesting the members, Wadi Boys members, to please come on to the stage without wasting any time, because we have a very limited time at our disposal. We can't afford to waste any time. So requesting all the members to please come on the stage and perform whatever you want to perform. Thank you. I think Wadi Boys are led by Sylvester, am I right? Edgar, sorry. Edgar, can we have you on the stage along with your members? Go on.
The very first boat to come up on stage, the members of John Divade. This young man right here making his way full of energy, making his way on stage right here, is celebrating his 71st Sanjao Festival. Give it up for this young man right here. Come on now. You have to understand one thing. 71 years of celebrating, provided a little older than that, but he has a little difficulty here. So you've got to shout out a little louder, okay? He has a message for you guys. He has something that he'd like to say. I'm going to hand it over to him.
All right. He's depicting the baptism of Jesus. Can you clap for John the Baptist? But this is not River Jordan. This is River Tirak. I mean Siolim. Wow, that's great. All right. You want to say something? John? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I like his spirit. He has been coming here for the last so many years. I lost all the count, the number of years he has been coming over here.
유아. La 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 सगळ्यात खोशयेन बोलल्यात आयज दीस म्हूण मोजेचो तुज्या मनान राग आसल्यार तुवें काडून उडोवपाचो दीस बोबाव चल्ला गांवान जावयाचो दिसोडे खोशयेन जारुया सांजवांचो फेसये आमी बरे सोबयताव माथ्या कोपेला घालून नदीन उडयो मारताव सांगोड बांदून उदकान आमी पोंग वेताव खुशाल जावन कातरां म्हणून घुमटा वाजयताव ला 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 आयज सांजवांचे फेस म्हणून जॉनान दुकोर मारला कोपेल करूंक सुट्टाचे डियोन माडार चडला हेरो लोरचो आनी किस्तू पियोन चोगला पडल्यात कोमयेचे मास हाडूंक सुदीस बाजारान पावला सान्नां वडे आसा थोडे मोदेच गांवान बेश्टोच मारता बोवाळे क्रिस्टिफरान फेस्ताचे कित्याक सोडल्यात पाडे घुमटा घेवन धांवोन येयात सांगडा कोडे युवा गायस संजाव विवो संजाव
कोणे घडला रे कातार एकदम बरे हा
Your
All
left-
right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Johnny Debade. All right, the members of Wadi Boys, can I have you on the stage, please? Wadi Group, can I have you on the stage? Huh? Huh? Well, we have another boat, ladies and gentlemen. Can you make some noise for that boat as well?
Ladies and gentlemen, get your hands together for Zor Boys. Give them a round of applause. Come on, now get your hands together. Sajao, Sajao. No, it doesn't work like that. No. You got to scream out nice and loud. Sajao, Sajao. Sajao, Sajao.
Thank you. All right, requesting the Wadi group to please come on to the stage. Yeah, can you have Wadi group to come on the stage, please? Without wasting any time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for this Wadi group. The first boat to arrive over here. Can you make some noise for this Wadi group? Sanjao, Sanjao.
Viva Sanjao! Sanjao! Sanjao!
Viva Sanjao!
Are you guys enjoying? Yes. All right, let's start the party, please. Sanjao! Sanjao!
Viva Sanjao!
Sanjao! Sanjao!
Viva Sanjao!
Sanjao! Sanjao! Viva Sanjao!
Viva Sanjao!
So everyone, if you all know the two things that runs through the veins of every Goan around here, it's a deep love for the tradition and obsession with football. So today, we decided to bring the football into our Goan celebration. So everyone, clap your hands, get ready to bring the beat, and let's go.
All right, they are going to perform a dance right now. The body group.
With the first performance of the day, ladies and gentlemen, Wadi Group.
Take the spot. There only can be one at the top. Try to keep up with me if you got what it takes. You better shoot if you got the shot.
Jenny.
One night, watch the world unite. Two sides, one fight, and a million eyes. Full hearts gonna work so hard, shoot all the stars, fist raise up towards the sky. Tonight, watch the world unite, world unite, world unite. For the fight, fight, fight. One night, watch the world unite. Sing with me. Hey, 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 come shout it. Hey, hey, come on now. Hey, 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 come on.
Very well done. Congratulations and God bless you. Beautiful performance by Wadi Group.
Check two. We would like to extend a warm welcome to Shri Suresh Gopi, Minister of State for Tourism, Government of India. Ladies and gentlemen, if you could kindly get your hands together for sir out there. At the same time, we also would like to welcome our very sweet MLA of Siolim constituency. Please give it up for Madam Delilah Lobo, the Honorable MLA of Siolim constituency and the Vice Chairperson of ESG. Right there, ladies and gentlemen. Just a quick check if you guys are awake or no. Ready? Sajao, Sajao! Nah, it's just here, man. You guys are too sushagat in your seats, man. Bosong elate tumi, kodelir. Let me translate. You're welcome to sit in the chairs only? No, right? You guys are here to celebrate Sanjao, yes or no? So you got to scream out. When I say Sanjao, Sanjao, you say? Sanjao, Sanjao! Sanjao, Sanjao! Sanjao, Sanjao!
Very good. I like that spirit. All right, as I announced earlier, I said there are going to be sport prizes in goal. The first sport prize this evening is going out. The first sport prize going out is for the oldest person in the audience. Oldest person in the audience. We respect the elders. That's the reason we are calling out for the oldest person. All you have to do is you have to bring identity proof, huh? We cannot judge by the looks. A book cannot be judged on its look. Okay? The oldest person. Come. We'll give them later. Hold on. All right, can we have the first sport prize going out this evening is for the oldest person. Looks can be deceptive, right? You have to come with the ID proof. Can you line up over here? In the meanwhile, we give some time for the back benches, should I say, people who are standing right behind.
Saying this again, this prize goes out to the oldest person out here with identity proof. We request you to have someone with you line up right by the stage, by the river over here. And hold on, we're giving you enough of time to come and line up. We understand the difficulties you're facing, so we're giving you enough of time. So saying it again, any family member or friend along with you, kindly accompany the oldest person out there right next to the stage, and then we will get you on stage. Check. We'd like to acknowledge the presence of the following dignitaries with us today. We have with us the Director of Tourism, Government of Goa, Shri Kedar Naik. Shri Kuldeep Arolkar, the MD of Goa Tourism Development Corporation. The Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Sadanand Tanawade. And not forgetting our Chief today, Shri Suresh Gopi, Minister of State for Tourism, Government of India.
Requesting the President of Siolim Sanjao Committee to escort our dignitaries onto the stage.
Check. The prize for the oldest person present out here is still on. If you're making a move out here, reminding you again, you got to come and wait by the side of the stage. You will be welcomed on stage shortly. Till then, Open up your umbrellas. Do not open up your umbrellas. It's the Sanjao spirit. We have Johnny Be Good with Riza in the house to keep you entertained, to keep your ears and your feet moving. Johnny Be Good with Riza. All up to you guys.
Check, check.
Johnny.
Give me out, huh? Check, 1, 2. Test. Test. Can you put off the music, boss? Yeah, thank you. Can you unmute me both the keyboards, please? Kela, unmute Kela.
Pulot veda son salato e gorzo aslo lozara goe karato koraja adorum zaira aslo lo amso vidle so vidgo amse rosero do stresha puije so vida ente bollele Digoro todavía ma dice Dere amka de vache Soras ven madurauje Hoy casora mia sotto Tesaore zore coraje Hoy casora mia sotto Tesaore zore coraje Stresha kuiche Sobita ente bollele Ti cuoro todavía ma dice Dere amka de vache Solo sveng madurauje Koi casora mia sotto Tesaore zore coraje Idne sobito amche Rosera do stresha kuiche
Viva Goa!
2.
Viva Sanjao!
Well, folks, we'd like to get on with the program with the official felicitation. I request our Siolim Sanjao President to kindly do the honors of placing the copel and felicitating
Boss, mute Gora. Keyboard mute.
I request the President of the Siolim Sanjao Committee, Sylvester Fernandez, to kindly felicitate the MD of GTDC, Mr. Kuldeep Arolkar. I request the President to kindly felicitate the Director of Goa Tourism, Shri Kedar Naik, with our traditional copel. Thank you. Don't come here, you go back. You go back. I now request Sylvester Fernandez to kindly crown our Secretary of Tourism, Mr. Sandeep Jacks, with a traditional copel. Ladies and gentlemen, please get your hands together. Thank you. And now, requesting the President to kindly felicitate our Siolim MLA, Mrs. Delilah Lobo, with the traditional copel. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the MLA of our Siolim constituency. Followed by the Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Sadanand Shethanaude, requesting Sylvester Fernandez to kindly do the honors with a traditional copel. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, get your hands together for the Honorable Member of Parliament. Get your hands together, come on now. And I now request our Siolim constituency MLA, Mr. Delilah Lobo, to kindly felicitate Shri Suresh Gopi, Minister of State Tourism, Government of India. Ladies and gentlemen, please get your hands together for the Minister of State Tourism, Government of India, Shri Suresh Gopi. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what we are about to do right now is officially start this entire festival, and it will be done by our chief guest right here, by Shri Suresh Gopi and Shri Thanaude right here. On my countdown, ladies and gentlemen, all you got to do is scream and shout as loud as you can. We go down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sajao, Sajao! Sajao, Sajao! Sajao, Sajao! Now this is traditional. This is tradition. We can't just get them to say it. I'm going to get all of you to say this, okay? I'm going to say Sanjao, Sanjao. You all will say Viva Sanjao. Here we go. Sanjao, Sanjao. Sanjao, Sanjao. Sanjao, Sanjao. I request the president of the Siolim committee to kindly step forward, please, and say a few words. Thank you. Requesting the president of the Siolim committee, Mr. Sylvester Fernandez.
Hello. Hello. I, Sylvester Fernandez, president of this committee, along with my members, would like to thank Suresh Gopi, Union Minister, Rohan, there is none. Mr. Tanawade, Sandeep Dargesh, Delilah Lobo, व शांयो आम्ही ऑर्गनायज करपाक ह्या वर्सा 36 वर्सां जातात हो तुमचो मोग आनी आभार मेवता म्हणून आमी हो सांजो करूंक पावतात हांव खालत्यापणान मागता ट्युरिजम डिपार्टमेंट ह्या फुडें आमकां सहकार आनी आदार दितल्यात म्हूण रावता तुमकां सगल्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा थँक्यू
Get your hands together for the president of the Siolim committee. Come on, get your hands together. As we move on, I request the honorable member of parliament, Shri Sadanand Shettinawade, to kindly say a few words. Thank you.
Viva Sanjao. आज ह्या सेलिब्रेशनाक हांगा आमचे बरोबर उपस्थित युनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर स्टेट टुरिजम हांगा मुद्दम केरळाच्यान हांगा आयिल्ले आसात हांव तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या वतीन तेंचें हार्दिक स्वागत करता सुरेश गोपीजी हांगा ते सगळे फॉलोवर तेचे आसात आमची लोकल MLA दिलेला लोबो आमचे टुरिजमचे सदीप जाकीस आमचे डायरेक्टर केदार नायक ह्या समितीचे अध्यक्ष आनी तुमी गोंय भरल्यान सगळ्या मोठ्या संख्येन हांगा आयिल्ले सेलिब्रेशन सांजाव करपाक भावा आनी भयणांनो हांव सगळ्यान पयलीं तुमकां सगळ्यांक बेस्ट विशीस दिता गोंयान सगळ्या घराघरांनी सांजाव करतात नवीन काजारी आसा तो आपल्या मावाडे येता पण गोंयान करता आसतना शिवोलेन मोठ्या प्रमाणात गेली 36 वर्सां तुमी हो सेलिब्रेट करतात आनी आतां गोंय टुरिजमाचो तेंकोय तुमकां दिल्लो आसा हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता आनी खास करून आमचे MLA आमची दिलेला लोबो हांकांय कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता कारण तांच्यांनी आपल्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन हे सांजाव गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोंयच्या टुरिजम माध्यमांतल्यान डिपार्टमेंटाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान हांगा करप अशें थारलें हांगा आमी पळयतात ओडियांनी लोक येतात आनी एक वेगळ्या पद्दतीचें सेलिब्रेशन शिवोलेन जाता हांव परत एकदां तुमकां सगळ्यांक कॉंग्रेच्युलेट करता विवा सांजाव थँक्यू
I now request the MLA of Siolim constituency and Vice Chairman of Entertainment Society of Goa, Madam Delilah, to kindly say a few words.
Happy Feast and Viva Sanjao! Today for this Sanjao as we celebrate in Siolim, we have in our midst our most honorable Minister of State for Tourism, Baba Suresh Gopi. Big round of applause to him. Our Rajya Sabha member, Sir Sadanand Shettinawade, our Director of Tourism, Bab Kedar Naik, our Secretary, Bab Sandeep Jacks, Amche President of this Traditional Sajao Committee of Shioli, Bab Sylvester, his entire committee, Amche Sogle Sarpanch present here, and my dear friends. Sanjao is a festival where we celebrate here in Goa and especially in Siolim over so many years. Especially in Siolim, the the main theme or main importance is more than 12 OD canoes coming from all over my constituency, from Bade, from Shapara, all of them, and from Siolim constituency participating in this. More importantly, for this Sanjao, you get gold coins as presents, as gifts. So I would really like to congratulate my traditional Sanjao committee of Siolim. A big round of applause to them. This is the 36th year we are having Sanjao celebration here. And I thank the tourism department, my chief minister, tourism minister, and Rohan County, and Union Tourism Minister, and our Sadanand Shet Tanawade, our Rajya Sabha member, for coming specially over here to celebrate. Enjoy, my dear friends. We have 2 live bands playing here. And I brought for each one of you all Sanna all the way from Parra. Enjoy.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And now our chief, requesting the Minister of State for Tourism, Government of India, Shri Suresh Gopi, to say us a few words.
A very good evening to all. Viva Sanjao. I pay my respects to the Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, Dr. Pramod Savanji, the Honorable Member of Rajya Sabha, Shri Sadanand, Honorable Deputy Speaker of Goa, Shri Joshua D'Souza, Honorable MLA, Dalaila Loho, the Rajya Sabha Member, Shri Sadanand, representatives of the church, the committee, its president, officers of Goa Tourism Department and Goa Tourism Development Corporation, artists, musicians, and above all, the warm and wonderful people of Goa. Namaskar to you all. It gives me immense happiness to be here with you today. Today is a very special day for me because I am witnessing this festival, which is also a recreation of St. John the Baptist. I am experiencing Sanjao celebrations for the first time in my life. I was told by my colleagues that this celebration is deeply connected with faith, the monsoon, village life, water, and community spirit, which is available in plenty here. I can feel that spirit. Standing here today, seeing the colors, the smiles, and the energy around me, I can say that Sanjao is something to be felt, not merely described or carried for messages to other parts of the country and the world. They should all come down to Goa and experience this high-running, inflammable spirit. There is something very beautiful in this atmosphere. The heritage of Sanjao is not only being remembered today, it is living beautifully before my eyes. This is not just a celebration, this is Goa coming alive. Goa is not only welcoming the monsoon today, Goa is celebrating life, culture, and togetherness. Many people know Goa for its beaches. Of course, Goa's beaches are beautiful, but today I am seeing a different Goa, a deeper Goa, a Goa of villages, families, music, faith, traditions, culture, and living community spirit. This is the Goa that the world must also experience. Tourism is not only about flights, hotels, and numbers. Tourism is about people it is about memories, it is about respect. A visitor should go back home and say, I did not just visit Goa, I had Goa, I experienced Goa. That is the kind of tourism India must promote. And that is the kind of tourism Goa represents so beautifully well. Under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, India is giving great importance to cultural tourism, spiritual tourism, heritage tourism, and sustainable tourism above all. Every state has a story. Every community has a tradition. Every celebration has a soul. And today I can feel that soul here in Goa in its most celebrative mood and lustrous nature. I come from Kerala, so when I see Goa in the monsoon, I feel it is an extension of Kerala, my homeland, and I feel this natural, organic connection. We both understand the sea. We both understand the rain. We both understand music, faith, food, family, and hospitality. The language may be different. The songs may be different. The style may be different, but the heart is the same. Kerala and Goa celebrate. That is the beauty of Bharat, our country, great country. From Kerala to Goa, from the Arabian Sea to the Western Ghats, from churches to temples, from folk songs to festivals, India lives through its diversity. And when we celebrate this diversity with love and respect, India becomes stronger. I compliment the government of Goa, the Department of Tourism, and the organizing committee for presenting this beautiful cultural and monsoon experience with such warmth and pride. This is the right direction. I thank you all for this warm reception. I am at heart celebrating with you, alongside you. Viva! Thank you. Jai Bharat.
Give it up for Sri Suresh Gopi, ladies. Get your hands together, come on now. Before we move on, we have one last surprise coming your way. I request our committee member, Mr. Karashal, to kindly step forward and do the honors for the same. At the same time, the president of the committee, if you could kindly step forward.
Hello. वो सांजो आम्ही ऑर्गनायज करता कोविड सुरू जाल्यार 35 years 36 म्हणून येता आनी हो सांजा ऑर्गनायज करपाक आमचो प्रेसिडेंट बाब सिल्वेस्टर फर्नांडीस दीस रात मोडटा दीस रात डोनेशन हाडटा आनी पोरूच्यान आमकां एक सुवाक फावो जालें आमकां गोवा ट्युरिजम स्पॉन्सर करता म्हणून सो आमी चिंतले इतलीं वर्सां आमचो बाब सिल्वेस्टर इतलें आमकां डोनेशन हाडटा इतलें आमकां सोड दिता कमिटीच्या नांवान आमी ताका फेलिसिटेट करूंक सोदता मागता आमचो चीफ गेस्ट सर गोपी हाचे लागीं ताका शॉल आनी एक मोमेंटो ताका भेटोवंक
अनम्यूट कीबोर्ड अनम्यूट कर पात्रांव
I now request the President of the Siolim Committee to kindly escort our dignitaries off stage. Thank you so much for joining us right up here. Right that side, ma'am. Give it up for all our dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. Requesting Shri Kedar Naik to kindly stay back. Thank you. I now request the Vice President of the Siolim Sanja Committee to kindly felicitate and acknowledge the collaboration, the entire effort, all the help that has come through from Goa Tourism to Shri Kedar Naik. Ladies and gentlemen, please get your hands together for the gentleman right here on stage. The ever smiling, ever calm gentleman right there. I now call upon the ever-energetic Holy Cross boys from Shapora to make their way on stage. Come on, gentlemen. As they make their move on stage, here's a quick announcement about this group. All these years, nothing has been able to beat the energy that these gentlemen carry with them. Believe me, they've been singing there, they've been everywhere. You can see all of them. But as of now, turn your attention to the cross there. We have the traditional crowning of the cross done by none other than Matthias Dibade. Ladies and gentlemen, once the cross is crowned, all you have to do is chant Sanja, Sanja, Viva Sanja. Matthias Dibade, sir, up.